Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is 18-year-old shoplifter loses her mind when she's caught. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
July 23rd, 2024, officers responded to a call of a shoplifting at a gas station.
And I said, hey guys, I closed the door, so show me everything you take. And they put it here, and then stuff here, water, and yeah, here. And water, I don't know where. So I told them, I'm gonna call the police, and they start crossing me like with, that stuff.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
So right now, she told me.
Can you start getting demographics for me, please?
Well, can I speak for myself? Can we speak?
Yeah, we can speak after. I'll get names first.
Okay.
So what do you want done with these, with them?
But my boss, he told me when you have someone like that, just call the police, close the door, and tell them everything happened, and let them do whatever.
Okay.
So.
He can go?
Yeah.
No, he didn't do it.
Excuse me, sir. You admitted that right or wrong? Did you or did you not admit to that?
So right now, you're gonna stay
No, I'm
here.
asking you why she can't admit to what she said the first time, though. I'm asking why she can't admit.
Are you gonna give me an opportunity to talk, or are you gonna
Yes,
continue?
talk.
So right now, I'm going to review the security cameras, and then we'll figure out what's all going on. And what you're saying is will be recorded on the security cameras if she said you didn't do anything, all right? So in the meantime, just work with Officer Weaver and Officer Hobart and get your demographics. You're not leaving right now. No? Okay. Oh, ah. Always.
727.
Go in. If you want to go in, you can go in.
I don't know what to do. I don't want to hurt anyone or do anything bad for anyone, but at the same time,
What I can do is
bad.
I can trespass them so that they can't come back. How does that sound?
Yeah, that good.
You don't need my ID. That's not your ID to take.
I forgot.
I can't get my ID back.
Oh, let's push it back in here. I don't want to sound the door. Push it in.
No, my ID
Push it in. Put your hand back. I'm going to stand in here.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
Yeah, now, bro, get flagged, bro.
Your behavior.
Hey, call my mom because I'm getting my ID back from you, bro. I'm not doing
Now.
Stop it. Close it.
I'm not calling your mom. You're 18.
No, it's on to the corner. We have it. You want to stay in here?
Call my mama. Yeah, where y'all call my mama?
No, we're not calling anybody.
Yes, I can. I don't care. Am I doing it now?
Stop.
I want a female to search me. I don't want no male searching me. I want a female to search me. You're not a female. I'm asking you to have a female search me. You're not a female.
I'm not required to have one. Have a seat in the car.
I
No, if nothing, sit down in the car. No, you can't. Sit in the car now. You're under arrest.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit. I'm sitting in the car.
I will get in the car and I call my mom back. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. No, you did too. Bro, you did too much. I can get in the car myself, but I can't. I'm trying to get up in the car.
Woo.
I'm not calling anyone. You're under arrest. You're detained for an investigation. You're not snatching your ID out of my hand.
Thank you. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I noticed. No. And I'm telling you no. No.
There's being trespassed?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yes. He said you got his info?
Yeah,
Or
in the
was
middle
it
of getting it when that happened.
Okay. If you finish.
His trespass for you if you want.
Ain't nothing wrong with telling you to call my mama. I can call my mama. I have to call my mama. Bitch, I can use my phone call to call my mama. Dumbass.
You can't. At the jail, you can.
Are you in school or what are you doing nowadays?
I'm graduating this year. Well,
Good job.
the upcoming year.
What do you want to do? Oop.
Well, I want to be a lawyer.
Yeah?
Yeah. But not dealing with this BS.
Wrong, bro.
You need to sit down.
No, I don't. I don't got the fuck thing, bro. You don't have nothing to hold me for. Is it because I'm black and pretty and you're ugly?
Has nothing to do with that at all.
Clearly it is. Clearly it is. Clearly it
Sit
is.
down on your butt.
This here is a civil thing. It's not a big deal. Okay? Disappears after 1 year. All right? But just don't get yourself involved any further. All right? And you'll be fine.
Okay.
I had no right to touch me, bro. I felt violated. If I felt sexually harassed or any type of assault, I can make that into a report.
Okay, you can report it.
And I will report it. But after this investigation over, you gonna see that I didn't do nothing wrong. You gonna let me go.
Well, you should have thought about that.
You gonna after this investigation over, you gonna see I didn't do nothing wrong, and I'm getting go back to my title. That's all I've been trying to do. The fuck, bitch, y'all got the wrong things going on.
Okay.
So is she getting arrested?
I got to talk to the other officer and see what she did that caused him to put her in handcuffs. Okay?
Okay.
I was fixing to do it because of her attitude, the way she was. I was concerned that she might try to strike out at me or one of the other guys.
That's why before y'all got here, I kept trying to calm her down, bro.
I didn't do anything wrong. You grabbed my ID. I asked for my ID back. You tried to say I tried to snatch it. I just asked for my ID back. I literally put my hand out and then I touched it. You snatched it back down.
Why does she talk like that? Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo, my ears are throbbing listening to her. Like, this is crazy. Like, yeah. Like, come on, man. Come on. And then I don't even know if y'all peeped it because it was she said it very like it was real slick, you know what I'm saying? And then they were switching to the body cam, but she was like, man, when the guy was going behind the counter, she was talking to the other officer and she's like, man, I'm 18, whatever, right? And then a couple of minutes later, the cop puts you in handcuffs and now it's, come on. No, you're 18. That's why the cop said that. You're like, no, I'm not calling nobody. You 18, all right? So you can't be bragging about how you an adult and then you get hit with some consequences and now you like, oh, call my mama. Come on, man.
Did you stand this all on your camera? If your camera wasn't recorded, it's gonna see that I touched my ID, you snatched it down and try to say, oh, you snatched from me. Bitch, it's my shit and I didn't snatch shit from you. I don't have no reason to snatch from nobody. Fuck, bitch.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Obstruction.
What did I disrupt?
My investigation.
No, I did not. You lied on my mom. You just lied, bro. You just lied on my head, bro. You just lied on me, bro. You literally just sat up here and lied on me, bro. You just sat up here and lied on me, bro. Oh my God, bro. Why are you lying on my name, bro? Like, what's wrong with you, bro? Like, I don't know what's wrong with you, but I didn't do nothing, bro. Yo, just got still going on. I didn't do nothing wrong, so I don't understand. How am I under arrest for doing nothing? I didn't do nothing. I gave you my name. I gave you my mama number. All that. So what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Because I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong. You still trying to say I did something? I didn't do nothing.
Resisting an officer. Resisting an officer. Burglary. Resisting an officer. You have a pattern of behavior here.
Bitch, you lying. Oh, you lying, bro. 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 I'm not under arrest for...
Damn. And they looked up her record. Burglary. In the store for theft. You know what I'm saying? So burglary, that's in the same realm. Resisting an officer, you have a problem with authority. You don't listen. Like, come on, man. Parents got to do better, bro. I get it. You know, parents can only do so much. The kid is going to grow up and click with their own friends and stuff. But you got to put them in the best position to win, man. You can't. This is ridiculous. Like, your kids is like a representation of you. It's an extension of you. You know what I mean? You created them. So she is embarrassing her mother and father right now. Embarrassing.
Not doing shit, bro.
Well, I appreciate you working with us.
Like this one, she in the wrong, but she chill.
Wound up getting one of these pieces of papers and walking away.
If I snatch my ID, why you still have my drawer? Come on now. Let's talk about it.
I don't want to talk.
If I snatch my ID, why you still have it in your hand? You never read me none of my rights.
Correct.
So guess what? I can sue you for that.
You don't got
You
him.
can't.
Yes, I can.
I don't have any questions for you.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You before you put me in the arrest, you had to tell me why I was under arrest. You didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me that.
That's another misconception that everyone gets wrong. Oh, you gotta read me my rights. You gotta read me my rights. They only read you your rights, the Miranda rights, if they're about to question you about whatever incident is going on. If they're just asking you regular information like what's your name, date of birth, stuff like that, they don't have to read you your rights. Now, if they're about to question you about, hey, what happened, with this and this and this, about whatever the incident is, yeah, they're supposed to read you your rights. But they didn't even get to that. They were just collecting information as far as, your normal information, like your name and stuff like that. People need to really tighten up, man. Cause I hear a lot of people say that. And sometimes in the comment section, y'all be writing that stuff too. You know what I'm saying? Not you, but somebody else. And if it is you need to cut that out because they only read you your Miranda rights if they're about to question you about the investigation.
But it's okay. It's okay, Pookie. It's okay. You got that. 0100. Bitch, you got that. You still gonna see that. You do nothing wrong. So I don't care. I really don't. No, I don't care because I'm going to get me a lawyer. I want to sue you.
Okay.
I want to sue you. Thank you very much. Y'all take it to trial at all because you goofing, Jit. You goofing, Jit. You goofing. You goofing, Jit. You really like goofing. I don't go to jail. I stay to myself to take care of my kid, like I keep telling you.
Okay. Well, last year you went to jail.
Yeah, last year for something you don't even know nothing about. For fighting at school. What did you talk about? At school. At school. Bitch, I take care of my kid and stay out of the way. A bitch don't got time to go to jail and all this shit.
And you got a kid? 18 years old? And you got a kid? This generation is cooked.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.